Let me show you how to handle overspending in YNAB. If you have habit of overspending, YNAB can actually be a great tool to track your spending and make sure that you do not overspend. So inside of the edit plan section, to get in this section, tap on the edit option on the top right, and it's going to show you the monthly budget and the categories that you created. In order for you to track the overspending, make sure you add in your monthly income. So just tap on this pencil icon and you'll be able to type in the exact amount that you earn on a monthly basis. So once you've done that and you started adding in your targets or your expenses, this bar here on the top starts to increase. Now, for example, if you exceed the total amount of income that you make, right here, as you can see, it is shaded in red color, which means you've now exceeded your monthly income. So in order to solve that, this monthly target visual works as a great way so that you can clearly see how much money you've spent, how much money you've earned, and the amount of spending that you have on a monthly basis. So whenever you're entering in your expense, make sure to look at the monthly tab that you have on the top of the screen. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you handle overspending inside of YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.